Ever wondered why the stock market is such a buzzword? Today, we'll unravel the mysteries of the stock market step by step. In the beginning, it's essential to understand what the stock market is. It's a platform where investors trade, buying and selling shares of publicly listed companies. This market serves a dual purpose. For companies, it's a way to raise capital by selling shares. For investors, it's a potential playground to profit from price fluctuations. Now, let's move on to how trading works. The basic idea is that investors purchase shares of a company with the expectation that their value will increase over time. These transactions happen through brokerage accounts, which are platforms or institutions that facilitate the buying and selling of stocks. There are different types of trading strategies, each with its own set of rules and expectations. Day trading involves frequent buying and selling within a single day. Swing trading involves holding on to stocks for a few days or weeks, while long-term investing focuses on holding stocks for years, even decades. To navigate the stock market, you'll need to understand key concepts: stocks, shares, dividends, market orders, limit orders, and the likes make up the language of the stock market. Stock prices aren't arbitrary. They're determined by various factors including supply and demand, company performance, and broader economic conditions. As with any venture, trading in the stock market comes with its fair share of risks and rewards. Volatility, market fluctuations, and potential loss of investment are some of the risks involved. But it's not all doom and gloom. The stock market also offers potential rewards like significant gains, dividends, and portfolio growth. If you're a beginner, here are some tips. Start with thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and always consider your risk tolerance. There are plenty of resources available for further learning, including books, websites, courses, and professionals to follow. In summary, the stock market is a complex yet exciting world. It's a place where companies raise capital and investors seek to profit. There are different strategies, key concepts to learn, and risks and rewards to consider. As a beginner, arm yourself with knowledge, strategize wisely, and stay patient. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.